Tank versus tankless water heaters. Which is right for you? Here's the simple breakdown. A traditional tank water heater stores hot water and keeps it ready. It lowers upfront cost, simpler to install, and most homeowners are already familiar with how they work. A tankless water heater heats water on demand. No tank, nor stored water. They last longer, use less energy, and you never run out of hot water. But they do cost more upfront. For a lot of Illinois families, especially if you've got bigger household running multiple showers, a dishwasher, and laundry all at the same time, tankless is worth every penny. For a smaller home or a tight budget, a quality tank is still a great choice. The right answer depends on your home, your usage, and your budget. We'll help you figure that out. No pressure, just options. Just-in-Time Heroes. See our water heater pricing at justintimeheroes.com.